Yo, 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 yo. What's good, what's good, what's good? Come up and sweep them highs there. Previous London section. Right there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so my overall bias for this market is bullish as well. But I'm waiting for a 5-minute pullback. This isn't going to be the 5-minute push that breaks the high. Hey. This ain't going to be the 5-minute push that breaks the high. It's going to come back to the first. Possibly just above this green one here, rejecting off these wicks, and then we'll look for an entry round here to go for buys, targeting these higher highs all the way up there. But we've got to be patient because I want a small stop loss with this one as well. I don't want a big stop loss, I want a nice small one if possible. Just below that wick there, 15 pip, yeah, that would be perfect. Perfect. And then we can get a nice CP all the way up there for 50 pips. Okay. See? We're turning down. And oh, you fuck. And do you know what I'm gonna do now? It's gonna be the same as what happened all these other trades. Yeah. I'm gonna take out all these people that are jumping in cells because they're seeing this area right here, correct? They're seeing this whole area right here. And they're like, yeah, that's cells, it's hit that zone. Trust me. Nah, they're like, that's cells, it's hit that zone. And that they're gonna be getting in cells with their stops just above here, most probably. Waiting to target, thinking it's going to push down and hit these lows. It's not. What it's doing is if we jump down onto the 3-minute, even a 5-minute here as well, but if we jump on a 3-minute, it's going to come down real quick because it can't push up. And do you know why it can't push up and break these highs yet? Because it's got an imbalance in the market right here, and the imbalance is obviously going to need to be filled to balance out the market. Why? There we go. What's that? Well, it's going to need to be balanced back out. So what we're going to do is wait for it to come down, hit below there again, hit this zone here, and then we'll be looking for our entry for buys. And then this would become a TP1, and then anything above would be a TP2, 3, 4, etc, etc. But we just got to wait and be patient. We got no news. I've already checked. Not till 3 o'clock. It's 12. Coming down. Oh. You've also now got another imbalance right here. So now you've got 2 being created. You've got this wick to this wick, this wick to this wick. So let's have a little wait. And chill the fuck out. See? Bosh. Do you know what I'm gonna do? If I'm having a 15 pip stop, I'm gonna get all my shit ready now. I get all my stop losses, everything calculated now. So I gotta fuck with it later. Oh, we're about to catch a banger. Look, we're already rejecting. Already rejecting. Give me 1 second.
Have you jumped in?
No, not yet. 1 second, 1 second. Not yet. I'm just getting all my stuff ready. Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah. You
Wait.
didn't reply to my haiku message.
I did. I said hey. If you've made me miss my fucking entry, yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's harder. We come down and hit the zone, and we've already had the push. I wanted it to come into the zone a little bit, hence why I didn't jump in. We'll just wait. This should still come down and give us a little bit of a push into the imbalance of the market. I got my shit ready on my phone. My lot's ready to go. Everything ready. Just gotta wait for that good entry, because I don't want to jump in now, just because it's only had this little push down. But yeah, I think we might have missed our entry on this entry, but it's not even New York session yet, so we're on an hour, so I could possibly wait for an entry above here, which looks like I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna message you. I'm just waiting for it. Really just tapped that area hard. It come down to where I said though, but it didn't come quite as far in. I do like this look of this entry. You could enter right now if you wanted to, but I'm gonna wait for another one because I haven't got a stop loss. If you enter right now, put yourself at a 1.4 lot size on your 10k account with a 20 pip stop loss, and you should be okay. I'm not taking an entry here. Keep your stop loss below this candle here, and then you can target this high up there, and you should be for 1 to 2. Might just be worth you sending me your account details so I can just do it for you. Okay, let's have a little look on the 1 minute, see if we can get a 1 minute entry somewhere. That's it. I don't want this to push up yet, I can't lie. I want it to come back down here before it goes up. This isn't what I wanted. Even though it is nice. It's a nice entry. This is possibly even nice. Keep that there. With your stops, you could have your stops below whatever wick this creates when this flips bullish, and when this breaks that, when this candle breaks that wick, you could potentially take a trade for a buy, keeping your stop below whatever bottom wick this is creating, So say it stops there and flips, keep your stop there. There you go, that would be an 8 pip stop. So you could take this trade if you want to. It does look kind of mean. Obviously, this trade would be a buy. I'll take this on this account. There you go, I've taken it on this account. I'm not taking it on the other one. I've got a 15 pip stop on this trade though, on the account I've just taken it on. I think my stop's just below there. Yeah, perfect. So this trade I've just taken on this account is, my stop is below, 1 second. Where is my stop below? My stop is just about here. 15 pips. I'm going to target this high up here for 30 pips. And we'll just wait and see what happens. And then potentially we could be looking for a little bit of a retrace to come back down here, which will there be when I enter on my other account. Because this is a breakout trade that I'm trading right now. More than anything else. So we got in at 026, 126, 176 there, 176 is my TP1. Here we go. Just want to see this push up a bit more. Well, we swept these 15-minute highs here. Now we're coming up to sweep these 15-minute highs as well. New 3-minute candle created. Remember, there is now a possibility we're going to push back down into drawdown, because there is also now another imbalance in the market there. So we're just going to continue pushing. Should have taken this trade on my other account. It's all good though. Are you not in this trade? Coming up to these highs here with TP1 just above these highs. So if we break these highs right here and smash TP1, put your stops to break even. So it becomes a risk-free trade. There we go. We just need to get past these highs. Just coming up to test them now. Have a little look on the 1 minute. Okay, so it looks like it's starting to die out a little bit. Okay, you missed your entry. Okay. uh, okay. Okay, so we need to have a one-on-one lesson on how to enter trades, what lots to use, and like how many pips. Yeah. But I might still look for another trade in New York so I can trade on my other account. Because I only took this trade on one account. It's also looking like it's ready to start retracing back down. So that could be a good sign for a re-entry. So what I'll do is we're going to look for a re-entry. It looks like we're going to come back down, either test our entry area or come back down to this area down here. That's what I'm seeing. Possibly come back down to entry though, which means you could take another trade, get your entry in. Okay. There won't be an entry for you if this pushes above this week, but I think we're going to come down. So I'm going to look for a better entry myself in a bit. I might just hold this entry on this account and just jump in on my other with it. Okay, so we come down and we filled this little imbalance in now as well on the 1 minute. If these highs don't get broken, it's going to possibly come down to this area down here. So that's why I'm saying you might get another entry. But I just want to see how this one closes. It's got a minute left on it as well. Definitely see it coming down to here. So that's why I'm going to take out some of mine. Ready to look for a better entry. Right, let's get a better entry on that so I can get on both accounts. I took out on that trade. We'll get rid of that. So now what I'm looking for my re-entry. So we're up $200, whereas $180 on that trade anyway. But I want to look for a re-entry because I didn't like that entry. I want one down here possibly. So let me calculate your risk. So your risk would be 2.2 lots. That's what you'd need to put down for a 15 pip stop loss. And then obviously it's what the other one you said it is 1.4 for a 20 pip. See, I told you this is going to come down to here. And we're going to get a banging entry for this. We're going to get a banging entry. I weren't liking that entry, that's why I got out of that trade. I didn't want to just come down and sit in drawdown. I'd rather get in a nice entry. Come on, I want it to invalidate this one right here. I don't want it to push back. I want it to drop below this top wick here. Come and tap down into this imbalance. You've also got one right here. There we go. So it's coming down to the one I want it to come down to. Down here. Did I just remove more than one thing? Yeah. We're also coming back, tapping these previous highs here as well. Okay. And you got that 5 minute there. What was that candle breaking? So we're back on where the entry was on the other trade. Why? I just want to see. I want it to come down here. I want this imbalance down here. I want to get filled. This 3 minute. But I don't think we will. I think it's going to continue pushing. If this candle, oh, fucking, yeah, does this. Can't get my words out. Okay. So there's a possible re-entry right here if you wanted to get an entry now. I'm not too sure on it at the moment. If this candle comes up and then starts breaking above here, you'll look at getting an entry right there with your stop loss below here. And I ain't even set this back up, have I? Whoops. Like that, there you go. That's another entry right there. You could take a buy right now if you wanted to. I think I missed. I've got so many accounts. About 1 minute. Wait for this quickly. Get rid of that because that's pissing me off. There we go. I'm not in yet, remember that. Remember I said I want to see it come down to this one possibly. Okay. Okay, see? We'll come push down now. We're going to get to the imbalance one. Oh, the imbalance down here. My words ain't wording. Put music on. I don't really... kind of in the zone right now. Wait there. Wait there then. I am liking the look of this entry on the 1 minute, but I'm also not liking the look of it on the 3 and 5. There we go. This is the push down I wanted to see. Thank fuck. Right, we're coming down to filling this imbalance now. This is where you want to look for an entry. It's down here. Don't just jump in it straight away though. Let's just wait and see what sort of reactions we get. That's now invalidated. I don't care about that. So we've tapped into the area. I'm having a pushback already. There we go. Okay, so now we swept this high. Coming down, filling in this FEG. We tapped into it. Now, we want to find an entry. So let's find an entry. Gotta be patient and wait. Me long. Can't be asked to log in. I'll get music sorted for tomorrow's stream. Okay. Let's get more patient. We'll wait for this 3-minute one. Have you got your thingy ready to take your buy when I called it? Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna take not yet. I barely need a drink, but right now is not a time to leave. Let's wait for the reaction on this. I'm on that account, and I'm gonna get ready to take it on another account. Wait for a little push down on this one. Am I not going to get an entry on this account as well? That's going to be really gay. I'll enter there. Got an entry on this account as well. So I'll be... Okay. So the only shit thing is I've also got an entry here. So yeah, I got quite a big entry fucking spam, but it's calm because this is just gonna fly out now because we've tapped into this imbalance in the market. We're coming up, we're gonna break these highs. Next 3 minutes gonna come up, tap into these next highs, and then within the next couple candles we'll be smashing above this highs. Fuck me, above these like 15-minute highs up here, coming up, and then we'll push up to the 30 pips up there as well. Both trades up in profit. TP1, shit. TP1 for this trade, 24. It's a nasty push down, I can't lie. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a TP1 for that trade. I don't know what your entry is. What's your entry? That's a TP1 there as well. One second. Yeah, I'm not liking this wicking out up here at all. But this is just faking out all the people to get in cells again, and then we're gonna come up and take out all their take out all their stops. We're just faking them, getting their entries in. Yeah, they're all getting their entries in now. Now we're going to continue pushing up. There we go. We're going to break these wicks. We need to just get above these wicks and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, that rejection, it doesn't want to break quite yet. I'm not liking the rejection it's getting from this upside right here. That is the only issue. I'd like to get a closure above these candles as well. The 15-minute. See, the 15 minutes wicking out around this area as well, but we still haven't tapped into this high. What leads me to believe we are going to tap this high, at least, before. We just need to break these as soon as we break these wicks, I see this flying all the way up to TP 2 up here for 30 pips, but there's still a possibility they might want to fill in this imbalance a little bit more. Which it may be doing. Okay, so that wasn't the best closure for that candle, I can't lie. So what I see right now is possibly it's going to come down, tap into this area again before flying. Or we are filling in this right here. 1 minute FUJ. See how it reacts around this. Okay, we're pushing back up. I'd like to see this 1 minute close bullish, but it's got a lot of pressure towards the downside right now. Okay, so what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Possibly going to come down, tap into the same area again. Shit, just move that before pushing up. But we just got to be patient and wait. Wick tower around this area as well. Now we just got to be patient and wait. So to me, I'm feeling like watching some YouTube shorts. That's what I'm going to do. Whilst I wait patiently. I'll put that over there so I can still see the chat. Open up YouTube. I'm going to watch some YouTube shorts. And if that's really loud, my bad.
You want to take us back to mine? Yeah, let's go. Which car do you want to take? You can take mine. You can drive. You want me to drive? Yeah, hop in. I've never been in one of these before. Yeah, you like the car, dude? Yeah, well, how much you pay for it? It's pretty nice, but how much you pay for it? Like 120,000. 120,000? Yeah. What? You want to take us back to mine? Yeah, let's go. Which car do you want to take? You can drive. You want me to drive? Yeah. Hop in.
When I'm wearing hood, I can focus on being present in my life because I know it's getting precise data measurements and it's not distracting me with annoying notifications.
You guys want to know a secret? I'm riding a unicycle right now. Are you tripping? No, I promise. You go to my YouTube. I'm live right now. Dude, wow, unicycle. Alright, let's go work it out. Yeah, on a unicycle right now. It's on your YouTube, dude? Yeah.
So we're pushing down here. I'm not as confident in this trade at the moment. Obviously if we break below this SVJ, then there will be a stop loss sort of situation. I'd have to make it back on tomorrow's trade. It'd be nice if we can sort of just hold around till New York to get some New York like volume pushing it. We'll see.
This is a cyber truck. Everyone should be the same every single week. Is it legal? Looking for NQ buys? Yeah. Looking for a nice push up. So at least these levels. Stop loss at these lows.
It's taking a while to push back up, I cannot lie. Feeling a little bit peckish.
trade? Follow for more content? Peace out. Looking for MQ buys? And looking for a nice push up to at least these guys. Stop loss at these lows. Beautiful. I like what price is doing.
Okay. What's this fucker doing?
This is beautiful price action.
We now just kind of want to see one big push up.
Nice prices approaching my S&P. Nice. Beautiful. And I am out.
That fades over SF.
What was that?
Alright, listen up. Have you ever been hit?
What was that? What was that?
Alright, listen up. Have you ever been hit with that gut-wrenching thought? What if something happened to me? Who's going to take care of my family? I have.
Want to see it push up above that wick.
Why only $5? Why don't you charge 10 or 12 or 15?
You know that £6 PC comment we got on for 199? Did I mention that?
A little bit more than that. We want to see it push up above that wick.
Tired of you starting small and trick? This biker was cruising along when out of nowhere a BMW driver dangerously cut him off. I guarantee this is the funniest road. Have you seen Harry Potter?
Yeah.
What's the name of Hermione's cat?
Wow, the first time is actually awesome.
Have you seen Harry Potter?
Yeah.
What's the name of Hermione's cat?
Heroin.
Muggo! Have you seen Harry Potter?
Yeah, I have.
What's Professor McGonagall's animagus name?
I just want to see it break up above this wick, pushing my second entry into profit. And then I feel a bit more confident in this trade as well.
What's the name of Hermione's cat?
Heroin.
Muggo!
But right now it's looking like we've got a little rejection area from here.
What's Professor McGonagall's animagus name?
Yeah.
Muggo! Have you seen Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Or what makes sense, look. For the 5 minute, okay. Right. How am I thinking on this trade? Watch the next 5 minute candle. And if it looks like it's going to continue down, it might be worth managing risk.
What's the name of Hermione's cat?
Heroin.
Muggo! Have you seen Harry Potter?
Yeah, I have.
What's Professor
Oh my god. let's take it. It's time to go back in profit. We want it to push above, because on that 15, it's just tapping that area right there. We want that to break above that. That's the only issue. We want to see it break above this candle here. So yeah, we got another little nasty rejection from this area as well. It's looking a bit nasty. If you would like, you can get out of this trade now if you want to manage your risk, but I'm gonna hold for a little longer, just because I want to wait for New York possibly. Just go chill out and watch my YouTube shorts and that. It's wanting to push, but it's struggling to get past that little area. See how it's rejecting this area again. Okay, let's have a wait, see what this does. We just want to see this just fly up, to be honest with you. It wants to, but it just doesn't want to. This trade is starting to become a bit long. We need to see this come and close up here. This area right here is not an area we want to see it keep injecting. Okay, so now I'm confident in saying this trade is not looking the best. I don't know if we're going to be able to hold it till New York session. Let's just see. Getting a little bit more movement now in the market. The only thing is we're in this 1 minute consolidation right now and this 3 minute consolidation, so the market's just moving sideways. Well, isn't always the best thing, because now this could just potentially move sideways all day. Maybe just, yeah. Just gotta keep waiting and waiting. I might have to go get some munch soon because this trade's taking kind of long and I'm feeling kind of hungry, so I might just manage this one whilst just getting on with my day if it doesn't start coming into profit soon, because I'm getting quite hungry. And I think we're going to play around in this fair value gap right here for a while before New York. So I'm fucking starving. Getting a bit more volume in the market. And my shit ain't working. It's dead. Okay, that closure now as well. It's a bit shit. Have a little look. See, it's 15. How it didn't break this high and it's returned back down. Not what we like. 30. It's just one of these trades that I think it's gonna hit take profit overall, but it's just gonna be one of those like ones where it's gonna be ages to hit take profit. So that's what I'm saying. I might just have to manage it throughout the day. So we've got a minute left for the new 30 open, the new Audi open, the new 15. So now we just gotta be patient. See what happens in this 1 minute. Probably a lot. Look. It just doesn't want to break this little area here. Unfortunately, because that would have been a nice close just above here. Ready for the new Audi candle to come in. Right, now we've got the new candle. See if this one comes with a little bit more of bullish momentum. I want to see it break way above that. I want to see it start coming up to our TP1. Come on, we want to see this Audi push up above these wicks, at least. It's just struggling to get that push up. If we have a look at the Audi. Oh, I see how the Audi's just closed here as well. It's just closed above this one here, but it isn't above these here. That's the issue now. It'd be nice to see an hour wick fill possible, but to be honest, with what the lower time frames are looking like. Because we still haven't got a closure above these wicks. But we're still playing around the area. But we haven't got a closure above these wicks yet. It's not looking amazing. We got 28 minutes till New York Open. Opens at 1:30. Okay. I'm liking that more aggressive approach. That's what I'm liking. Come on, we want to see it break all these candles up here as well. Okay. Want to see it come up, tap into these highs above. There we go, come on. Push a little bit more. There we go, breaking them highs. Still having a bit of trouble around that area though. The only thing with this you'll remember is this will then create, so it might want to fill that imbalance in a little bit. But I want to see it push up to our TP1s, man. I've been in this trade for time. I mean, if you feel comfortable and you're happy with your profit, you can take out now. Or you can hold with me for a little bit longer. Okay, my only concern is this could be a liquidation grab on the 3 minute. 5 minute closure. Okay, so that's... It's still wicking out around this area, what shit. Yeah, that's why I was not liking the look of this being a possible liquidation grab like that. Let's just wait. Let's just be patient. Wait for this to fly up till I take profits. I am going to be honest, I'm getting a bit tired and I might look at just managing risk on this trade. We're still getting some momentum pushing up. It's not wanting to break these highs as well. What I might do is possibly just take out my trade on one account. And just hold the other account. Because I would like to see this push up above these highs, but we're just not getting that push. Just sitting around the same area still. Oh. Oh, getting a bit bored of this one. We need to just see us hurry up and push up. You took out $100 profit, well done. Look at you go. I might consider just taking out as well, because I am getting a bit bored. I'll just wait for a little push up and see if we get more of a push. Yeah. You can go if you want. If you've taken out your profit and you're good, I'm going to look at taking out profit soon. Been in this trade for around, been here for about, yeah, look. That's now melting. 15 flipping bearish. I'll wait a little bit longer. Worst comes worst, I'll just close. Coming back up. You're a fan, so, huh? Push up into profit a bit more. It's getting a little bit long. that 15-minute looks nasty. 30 looks quite shit as well. I don't think I'm going to be able to get out in profit, to be honest with you. I think he's going to take me out. If I'm to be honest, I kind of just want to leave both trades running for New York and wait for that New York volume to push it up. But that's still another 15 minutes. Oh, this is boring me now. Okay, getting a bit of a push. See if it can continue up. Oh, I got bored and I've closed. Okay, so today as much as there was 2 wins, 3 wins, because all trades are closed in profit, but I'm just being a bit impatient, and this trade is going to go and fly and hit take profit, you can tell. This is going to be the push now, but I really can't be bothered to wait. I want to go get some food. I'll come back and trade, get them tomorrow, so I'm going to change it to 4 break-even trades then, just to make it up, because it is enough proper win, but this is now going to push up and fly. Just needs to be that extra bit patient. But overall on this account I'm up for the day $500, I think, and then this account I'm only up $100, but I was being a bit impatient, and this is gonna fly now. But yeah, alright, calm. Okay, if I had waited an extra 2 minutes, but it's calm. Alright, I'll see you in